Hey guys, today let's learn how to unblock someone on Snapchat. So in the case that you accidentally or you incidentally blocked someone on Snapchat, what can you do, or what are the steps that you could do in order to unblock that person? So in this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to unblock someone on Snapchat step by step. So please watch this video until the end, subscribe, and like for more. Okay, so let's go ahead and switch on to our phones now. And basically what we need to do is to, of course, go on the Snapchat application. And once you're already here, what I want you to do once you're on here is to basically tap on your profile in the top left corner of the screen. And once you're already here, what I want you to do is to go ahead and tap on the settings in the top right corner of our screens. So once you're already here, let's just go ahead and scroll all the way down until we see the blocked users tab or section. And that should be located right here under privacy controls. So once you tap on blocked users, you should see all of the blocked users that you have blocked on Snapchat, and it is going to be pretty easy to go ahead and unblock them, because all we need to do in order for us to go ahead and unblock this person is to basically just tap on their names and then unblock that friend. And that's all for this video. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys on the next one, and take care.